Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're looking at a budget-friendly cordless vacuum that's been gaining attention for packing some serious features at a low price, the Comvtu Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Let's break down the good and the bad, so you can decide if it's worth it. This vacuum is built around an 80,000 RPM motor, which delivers solid suction power for daily cleaning. It offers 2 suction modes and runs for up to 35 minutes on a full charge, more than enough for most apartments or quick spot cleaning. It's also surprisingly versatile. You get rotating brush heads that swivel 180 degrees side to side and 90 degrees up and down, making it easy to clean under furniture and around tight corners. Plus, it's lightweight and height adjustable, which makes it easy to handle, especially if you don't want a bulky machine. Another bonus? It comes with a HEPA filter and multi-layer filtration, which helps trap dust and small particles. Great if you've got mild allergies or pets. And maintenance is easy too. The filter pads, and dust cup are all washable. Now for the downsides. It's not a premium vacuum, and it shows a bit in the build quality, which leans on the plasticky side. The dustbin is small, so you'll be emptying it often. Also, the battery is 2,200 mAh, so don't expect it to power through a large multi-room house in one go. So, is it worth it? If you need an affordable, lightweight vacuum for everyday messes and smaller spaces, the Comvtu could be a solid pick. Just don't expect top-tier performance or build quality. As always, check the video description for the Amazon link and any possible deals, and remember to do your own research before buying. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. Right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.